Located in Boca Raton, 11-minute walk from South Inlet Park Beach, Yacht Club at the Boca Raton Adults-only has accommodations with a restaurant, private parking, a bar, and a spa and wellness center. This 5-star hotel offers room service and a 24-hour front desk. The property has an outdoor pool, fitness center, sauna, and garden. The hotel will provide guests with air-conditioned rooms offering a closet, a coffee machine, a minibar, a safety deposit box, a flat-screen TV, a terrace, and a private bathroom with a bath. Yacht Club at the Boca Raton Adults-only provides some accommodations that have a balcony, and rooms are equipped with an electric teapot. The rooms at the accommodation come with a seating area. At Yacht Club at the Boca Raton Adults-only, guests are welcome to use a hot tub. Boca Raton Beach is a 16-minute walk from the hotel, while Deerfield Beach is 1.7 miles away. Boca Raton Airport is 4.3 miles from the property, and the property offers a paid airport shuttle service.